What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be opening 4 Pokemon Generation Booster Packs. I got these packs from Case Cards, check them out, link in the description below. So let's get it started then guys. I've got 2 Venusaur and 2 Charizard packs. Hopefully we'll get some good pulls in here. First card then guys, Esper, Pokemon Fan Club, Inakumi, Caterpie, Meow, Rhyhorn, Ponyta, Clefairy, Reverse Hollow, the Radiant Collection card is Charizard Hollow, and the final card in the back guys is a Jinx, non-hollow. So onto the Venusaur pack, Charizard pack then guys. First card then guys, Fletchling, Shana, Venusaur, Meow, Magmar, Pikachu, Darkness Energy, Reverse Hollow Diglett, the Radiant Collection card is Swirlix, and the rare in the pack guys is the Zapdos Full Art card. That's a great card there guys, it's a good pull, put that at the back. Onto the next Venusaur pack. First card then guys, Gulpin, Persian, Shana, Zubat, Magmar, Diglett, Fighting Energy, Reverse Hollow Maintenance, the Radiant Collection card is guys, Frostlass, and the rare in this pack guys is a Hitmonchan non-hollow. Final pack then guys, Charizard. Let's hopefully get a Charizard in this pack. First card then guys, Chikorita, Double Colourless Energy, Energy Switch, Zubat, Magmar, Fighting Energy, Doduo, Reverse Hollow, Revitalizer, and the Radiant Collection card is Dedenne, and the rare in this pack guys is a Butterfree Hollow. Well that's it guys, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.